Good morning, children. Welcome back to maths class. Today we'll continue the remaining part of Jets and Mugs. Neetu in hospital. Neetu has to take 3 injections in a day for 5 days. Here, how many injections Neetu has to take? 3 injections. For how many days? For 5 days, right, children? Neetu in hospital. Neetu has to take 3 injections in a day for 5 days. Here, this girl is Neetu. She is like you only, first standard girl. She went to doctor. Because she was not feeling well, so she went to doctor. And how many injections she has to take? 3 injections in a day. For how many days? For 5 days. Okay. Here doctor is saying to Neetu that one injection gives 5 ml of the medicine to your body. So for one time, how many ml of medicine she has to take? That is 5 ml. Okay. Here, by seeing this girl attitude only, we'll get to know she is not afraid of injections, right, children? Now we'll come back. How much medicine will she need for one day? See, for one day, how many injections she is taking? She is taking 3 injections. For one day, she is taking 3 injections. For one time, how much ml of medicine she will take? 5 ml, right? If we multiply 5 into 3, we'll get the answer. Okay, children? That is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are how much, children? 5 into 3 will be equal to 15. So 15 ml of medicine she has to take for one day. Okay. Next one. How much medicine in all for 5 days? For one day, if she take 15 ml for how 5? For one day, she is taking 15 ml of medicine in, right? So for 5 days, how much medicine will go in her body? For 5 days, how much medicine she will take? That is 5 into 15. Okay, that is 5 into 15. 5 5s are 25. Carry will be 2. 5 ones are 5 plus 2. 5 ones are 5. Right, children? So carry is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 75 ml. For 5 days, how much medicine she is taking? For 75 ml. Okay. Next, how much medicine will I need for one injection? This is an animal, right? So it is a big animal. That's why it needs 100 ml to 500 ml. In between 100 ml to 500 ml, it needs for one injection. Okay. Then only injection will go into this body and it will show its result properly. Okay, children. Next one. How much do we use at a time? Eye drops. We use less than 1 ml at a time. This is right, children. We use 1 drop or 2 drops of eye drops. So 1 or 2 drop will be less than 1 ml. That's why here what they wrote, we use less than 1 ml at a time. Like that only shampoo. We use less than 7 ml at a time, right, children? Hair oil less than 10 ml. Cough syrup less than 5 ml. Got it? Next one, list things we use more than 1 liter at a time. Water for taking bath. Here, for taking bath, we use more than 1 liter at a time, right, children? Like that only washing clothes also we use more than 1 liter at a time, and for washing vessels also more than 1 liter at a time, and for cooking also we use more than 1 liter at a time. Practice time. Okay. Amina's water bottle holds 1 liter of water. She drank 250 ml of water, and her friend Govind drank 150 ml. How much water is left in her bottle? Here Amina is having 1 liter water bottle. In that, how much Amina drank? 250 ml of water Amina drank. Okay, I'll underline this. And her friend Govind drank 150 ml. How much Govind drank? 150 ml. In 1 liter water bottle, 250 ml Amina drank, 150 ml Govind drank. Okay. Now what we have to find out? How much water is left in a bottle. Okay. Before going to do the total calculation, we have to collect the data. Okay. Now total water in Amina's bottle is how much? That is 1 liter. Right, children? Children, do you know 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, right? ml. Now, water consumed by Amina. How much Amina drank? 250 ml, right? And water consumed by Govind. How much water Govind drank? 150 ml, right? I'll write it here. 150 ml. Next, water left in Amina's bottle. This is what we have to find. Okay. Before going to find out water left in Amina's bottle, what we have to find out? Water consumed by these two people. Okay. Total water consumed by total water consumed is equal to water consumed by Amina plus water consumed by Govind. In order to find out total amount of water consumed, what we need to do? We need to add water consumed by Amina plus water consumed by Govind. Okay. Here total water consumed equal to how much water Amina drank? That is 250 ml, right? Plus water consumed by Govind. Water consumed by Govind is how much? 150 ml. 150 ml. So by adding these two numbers, how much we will get answer? 400 ml, right? That is 250, 150, 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, carry will be 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Answer is 400 ml. Pause it. Children, here we got total water consumed, how much? That is 400 ml, right? So now we got to know total water in Amina's bottle and total water consumed, right? And what we need to find out? water left in Amina's bottle. Okay, children, now we find out water left in Amina's bottle. Okay, here to find out water left in Amina's bottle, what we need to do? Total amount of water in Amina's bottle minus total amount of water consumed by Govind and Amina's. Okay, so total amount of water in Amina's bottle, how much? That is 1 liter, right? 1 liter will be equal to 1000 milliliters, right children? So I'll write this 1000 total amount of water in Amina's bottle. For this, I'll write this 1000 ml. Water left in Amina's bottle. 1000 ml minus total amount of water consumed. Total amount of water consumed is nothing but water drank by Amina and Govind is how much? That is 400 ml, right? So I'll write that 400 ml here. So here what I have to do? Minus 1000 minus 400. Okay, that is nothing but 600 ml. See, I'll do minus here. 1000 minus 400. 0, 0. 10 minus 4 is 6. Right? So that is 600 ml. Okay.